ST308. The Ensto ST308 is a handy tool for peeling the insulation screen of medium voltage cables. It is designed to make your work easier and faster with a smooth and adjustable cutting depth. The tool has ball bearings that allow it to rotate effortlessly without the need for greasing the core. The tool also comes with a spare blade that can be easily replaced when needed. The Ensto ST308 is a reliable and efficient tool for cable preparation, suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. It is the perfect companion for your underground cable installation projects. FA4TM Equalizer. FA4TM Equalizer is a powerful tool that can align flanges with ease and precision. It is a mechanical device that can generate 4 tons of force with a simple torque wrench. It can fix both rotational and radial misalignment of flanges, making it ideal for medium diameter and medium pressure applications. FA4TM Equalizer is compact, lightweight, and robust, and comes with a handy carry case. It is a safe, simple, and cost-effective solution for flange maintenance and installation. FA4TM Equalizer is the perfect partner for flange professionals. HellermannTyton CPK Hybrid. The CPK Hybrid is a revolutionary tool that can bundle and cut cable ties with speed and precision. It is the first of its kind to offer both battery and electric power options, giving you the freedom to choose how you work. Whether you need portability, reliability, or integration, the CPK Hybrid can handle it all. It is designed for high-volume applications in various industries such as wire harness, automotive, packaging, and solar. With its user-friendly display, software, and accessories, the CPK Hybrid is the ultimate cable tie solution. It is not just a tool, it is a hybrid. Hilti Nuron SB 6-22. The Hilti Nuron SB 6-22 is a cordless band saw that can cut through metal like butter. It has a wide mouth that can handle pipes up to 5 inches in diameter, and a dual trigger that ensures safety and control. It runs on the Nuron battery platform, which delivers longer run times and faster charging. Whether you need to cut metal strut, conduit, or threaded rod, the Hilti Nuron SB 6-22 can do it all with ease and precision. It is the perfect tool for high-performance metal cutting in any condition. It is not just a saw, it is a Nuron. ISO T001 The Cool Tool. The ISO T001 The Cool Tool is a versatile and powerful tool that can tighten with ease. It is a drop-forged tool that has a spin tension handle, a spring-loaded gripper lever, and a built-in cutter. It can handle bands from 1/4 to 3/4 wide and up to 0.30 thick. It can apply stainless steel or galvanized carbon steel bands, as well as free-end clamps. It has a blue epoxy power-coated finish for rust resistance and delivers up to 2,400 volts of torque. It is the ideal tool for strapping applications in various industries, such as construction, marine, and transportation. It is not just a tool, it is the cool tool. Kemtex ION GUN. The Kemtex ION GUN is a smart and effective tool that can eliminate static electricity and dust particles from your car body before painting. It is a handheld device that emits a stream of ions that neutralize the surface charge and attract the dust away. It works on any type of paint and any type of car. It is easy to use. Just plug it in and press the trigger. It will save you time, money, and frustration. It will make your paintwork flawless and shiny. It is the best tool for car painting professionals and enthusiasts. It is not just a gun, it is an ION gun. Levoite Multi-Adjustable Angle Drilling Guide. The Levoite Multi-Adjustable Angle Drilling Guide is a handy and innovative tool that can help you drill holes at any angle you want. It is a portable drill stand that can adjust from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, allowing you to drill straight, angled, or oblique holes with ease. It is suitable for any wood type, position, and angle, and it comes with 4 sizes of drill sleeves for different drill bits. It is made of durable aluminum alloy and has a user-friendly display and software. It is the perfect tool for joinery, carpentry, and DIY projects. It is not just a guide, it is a Levoite. Metaltech Pump Jack. The Metaltech Pump Jack is a sturdy and reliable tool that can lift you and your platform up and down a wooden pole with ease. It is a steel device that has a track system, a hand crank, a safety brake, and a foot lever. It can handle loads up to 500 ols, or 2 persons between 2 poles. It can adjust to platforms up to 24 inches wide. It is compatible with Qualcraft and Metaltech poles. It meets OSHA and ANSI standards. It is the ideal tool for siding, roofing, painting, and other projects that require height and mobility. It is not just a jack, it is a Metaltech Pump Jack. Parker Punch Tool. The Parker Punch Tool is a pneumatic device that can make button punches on metal decking with ease and speed. It is a powerful tool that can handle all types of steel decking, from 18 to 22 gauge. It has a unique crimping action and 3 punching pins that prevent bust outs. It can produce an average of 1,200 punches per hour and 9,600 punches per day. It has a quick adjustable actuator arm and a quick exhaust air valve for optimal performance. It is a safe and consistent tool that meets OSHA and ANSI standards. It is the ultimate tool for metal decking professionals and enthusiasts. It is not just a tool, it is a Parker Punch Tool. RapidRoll RV175. The RapidRoll RV175 is a smart and reliable tool that can lift and move any smooth or textured surface with ease. It is a vacuum pump suction cup that has a replaceable vacuum gauge and rubber cup. It can handle materials such as ceramic tiles, slabs, marble, granite, glass, and more. It has a die-cast aluminum body that is durable and corrosion resistant. It has a vacuum gauge that shows the gripping status of the suction cup and alerts the operator when it needs to be restored. It can lift up to 130 kilograms of weight with a safety factor of 1.51. It has a diameter of 175 millimeters and comes with a carry case, protection cup, and maintenance kit. It is the ideal tool for handling large format tiles and slabs in various industries. It is not just a suction cup, it is a RapidRoll RV175. Safety Barricades RapidRoll. The Safety Barricades RapidRoll is a portable and reusable barrier system that can secure any outdoor worksite, hazard zone, or maintenance area in minutes. It is a lightweight and durable product that consists of a cartridge, a fence, and a base. It can be easily carried, set up, and taken down by one person with no tools required. It can create a visual barrier up to 50 feet long and 40 inches high. It can be used for various purposes, such as construction, landscaping, events, and more. It meets OSHA and ANSI standards. It is the ideal product for creating a safe and efficient work environment. It is not just a barrier, it is a Safety Barricades RapidRoll. Siligun. Siligun is a caulking gun that reinvents the way you seal and fill gaps and cracks. It is a compact, lightweight, and drip-free device that can fit any toolbox and any hand. It can work with any 10 ounces cartridge or sausage pack of latex, acrylic, silicone, or other compounds. It has a patented design that allows you to cut off the excess from the cartridge to make it even smaller and reach tight spaces. It has a 12-to-1 thrust ratio that delivers a smooth and consistent flow of caulk. It comes with a 12-month warranty and a Golden Hammer Award. It is the ultimate caulking gun for DIY and professional use. It is not just a gun, it is a Siligun. Woodpeckers CornerLock. The Woodpeckers CornerLock is a simple and effective tool that can help you make perfect 90-degree corners every time. It is a pair of aluminum blocks that can clamp onto any two boards and lock them into a right angle. It can work with any thickness of wood, from 1/4 to 1. It has a large knob that allows you to tighten or loosen the clamp with ease. It has a rubber pad that prevents slipping and marring. It is the ideal tool for making boxes, drawers, frames, and more. It is a tool that saves you time, hassle, and frustration. It is not just a clamp, it is a Woodpeckers CornerLock.